This week I tried out the new Panasonic S1RII camera, and hearing about the audio problems, I also bought the DWM-XLR2 adapter. However, recordings of music had a distinct lack of bass, so I ran some laboratory tests on the mic preamps. The line input of the camera body is rolled off as well, and the mic input was unmeasurable due to too much noise. Next, I checked the DWM-XLR2 adapter, and at 48 kHz with the wind filter turned off, this was the frequency response I got. I was shocked that it was also rolled off on the high end. This was unacceptable for recording music. And then I checked the mini phone jack input and found it didn't have the high frequency roll off at 48 kHz, but it did have the bass roll off. And then finally, I checked at 96 kHz with the XLR mic input. Still had the bass roll off, but the high frequencies were flat to 20K. This is not an acceptable frequency response in the year 2025, when Sony cameras have had a flat frequency response since 2017 or earlier.